Hello, 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 everyone. How are you doing today? Well, today, what I have here, I went to my local Walmart, and I went ahead on and got everything that I need for me to go ahead on and make me some fajitas. I hope that rice turned out good, cause I was just gonna go buy me some at my local it's a place here that where I normally go buy my tamales from and everything. It's a Spanish restaurant. They sell all type of dishes. But I was in there and I got this Uncle Ben's Spanish rice, the Spanish style rice, and I hope it turned out good. But I added this. I'm warming it up now. I put both of them. I had two. I put both of them in there, and I put, instead of me using water, I used some chicken broth because I had it, and I put some. All I did was put in here with some chicken broth and some butter. And for my choice of meat, I got the chicken fajita kind, the John Soul, and I got three different kinds: the rotisserie season, and the beef fajita. So I got those three different type of fajita meats going on in here. Then I put me some white onion, red onion, some colorful bell peppers. I put some. I always keep my jars of pickle juice, and I poured some of that in here. I'm always trying different stuff and doing stuff, trying to do something a little different, see how it would taste. So I got my like I said, I poured some of that in here. I have jalapeno peppers that I let sit in my jars of pickle juice for flavoring, so for me to use it when I cook. So I broke off a piece of, I like half of the jalapeno pepper, one of them, and put that in here. I have me some orange sauce in here, and I have some Italian dressing seasoning I put in here. So, and hopefully, I'm just gonna let this I got it down kind of low, but then as I see it start to like cook, and I pour chicken broth in here instead of water, and I put some butter off in here too. But as that starts to simmer down and I see it starting to like cook out or whatever, then I'll turn the fire up. I poured me some lard in there. But I let that, like I said, it's cooking down on medium low, medium high or whatever. And as I see, when it starts to like really like cooking and boiling a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead on and just turn the fire up so it can finish cooking on down, and that'll be ready. And my rice, it's already got a little boil. I got this cooking on medium high or whatever, and this is like ready to eat rice. All you do is really warm it up, but see, it's already starting. But as this cook on down, the broth boil on out of there. That'll be done. And yeah, but that's how I'm doing it. When I get done, I have my tortillas, my flour tortillas, and it'll be a go. If your day can start off great, make it great. Have a good day. Hello everyone. I know I ended my video, but I had to come back and show you the final result to where, you know, as of earlier, as you know, it was about to, like, right here where I had my pickle juice and the chicken broth. It was about right there. But as you can see, what I like to do is I cook it down, as I've told you. I cook it on to medium high, and then when it starts bubbling or whatever, I go ahead on and turn it up on high so it can cook all of the juices out to where they're pretty much almost gone, and all that's left in there is like, it's just it came out just the way I like it, where it's just a little bit, as you can see, a little bit of juice left in there, and it got a little bit thick too. It got a little bit thick, it's not too thick, it's just right. But it's just, you know, it just left enough. It just left enough of it in there for it to just coat the meat. I would say pretty good. Give it a real good coating. But yeah, I have to come back and show you that this is how it looked. It boiled all the way down and out, and it just left it like that. And that's the way I like it. Okay, bye bye.